बोलो.
So that is why you should avoid emotional hijacking and we have to think before we.
बोलो सुनो. बोलो सुनो. Is any different answer? Is any different answer? हाँ बोलो साक्षी बोलो. No sir. You tell me. Is any different answer? The trial balance showing the planter machinery 1 lakh rupees and depreciation planter machinery 10,000 in trial balance. According to you all, it should be debited depreciation planter machinery 10,000 and balance it planter machinery 1 lakh, the depreciation 10,000, outer column 90,000. Is it correct treatment? Is it? Is it correct treatment?
Yes.
Yes, sir, it is correct.
It is correct. Okay, then. And if it is a correct, and if it is a marks, you will get 0 marks. Do you agree? I will give you 0 marks. If you do the same treatment, that means you are not understand trial balance and adjustments. That means your entry level थोड़ा जरा ज्यादा स्टडी करना पड़ेगा आपको. थोड़ा मीन्स बहुत थोड़ा. हाँ समझा ना. ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट. अभी गलती क्या की आपने वो बताता हूँ मैं आपको. वो बताना चाहिए. Planter machinery, the record value is 1 lakh rupees and that value is come after depreciation. That amount of depreciation of rupees 1 lakh is come after deducting depreciation of 10,000. So therefore, you are not supposed to deduct depreciation again. So this is comes to 1 lakh directly. Okay, let's say 1 lakh directly. This is 1 lakh. This is 1 lakh 10,000. Maybe the gross value less depreciation already deducted, that is 10,000. 10,000. And this profit or loss account or trading account or manufacturing account, depending upon your the C. Because in case of your, if you are preparing the manufacturing account, the machinery is used for the manufacturing and depreciation of plant and machinery is the manufacturing expense. It is to be debited to manufacturing account. But as soon as that is you not understand manufacturing account, I consider your profit and loss account is okay. But here, this is really very, very dangerous. Area more dangerous. You are not corrected. Understand? So what you understand from trial balance, I can explain what is the trial balance, what which comes in debit side, what comes in credit side. Trial balance, one more rule you must have to understand. This is one rule, that is assets and expenses debited and income and credit liabilities are credited. There's a one more items or one more rule for trial balance, is that all the trial balance items having only one effect. All the trial balance items having only One effect.
Effect.
Now you got it? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Hello, sir.
yes.
Sir,
Hello.
balance sheet of plant and machinery 1,10,000 कैसा आया?
1,10,000 kaisa aaya? Because this is after the depreciation. This 1 lakh rupees is after depreciation. This 1 lakh is after depreciation. Your depreciation is 10,000. Means gross value क्या रहेगा? 1,10,000 ही रहेगा ना?
हाँ, okay sir, okay.
Okay. चलो. अब ये जो depreciation है ना student, ये अभी मैंने यहाँ से कट किया और ये मैंने यहाँ पे यहाँ एडजस्ट कर लिया. अभी क्या इफेक्ट आया मुझे बताओ. Now what will be your answer? Tell me.
It's critical, picky, very hard to please, and he will behave in a manner that is perfection. Whereas
Hello student. Yes student, tell me. What is the answer now?
So,
Yes बोलो.
ये कैसे पता चलेगा कि डेप्रिसिएशन के बाद की अमाउंट है वहाँ पे?
क्या क्या? No, now
So
the
1 lakh
problem
out.
now the problem is very, see, the plant and machinery is given 1 lakh rupees and adjustment
Yes.
depreciation is given 10,000. Okay. So what will be your treatment in your final account? अभी आप क्या करेंगे?
Sir, plant and machinery 1 lakh. Hello,
हाँ.
sir, plant and machinery 1 lakh
Plant and machinery 1 lakh.
and less depreciation 10,000.
Very good.
Amount side 90,000.
Okay. That means first one 1 lakh plant and machinery. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Plant and machinery 1 lakh. Very good. 1 lakh. Then depreciation 10,000. Outer column 90,000. 90,000. Okay. Then depreciation of plant and machinery, profit and loss account debit side. Is it correct, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a correct treatment. Why this the techniques I followed generally at the beginning of your final account? Because you must have to understand so what is the logic. You must have to understand how the accounts is prepared, and you must have to understand why there is a need to understand the trial balance, need to understand the various adjustment, what is the effect of this. Now, what you understand from this, the plant and machinery is 1 lakh is trial balance items having only one effect here. Here is only one effect student. But adjustment having two or more than two effects, debit side of profit or loss account here, and second is again less from the depreciation or the depreciation asset. That is two effects, one and two effects. Understand? So trial balance having only one effect, adjustment having minimum two or maybe more than that. So that you two must have to understand. Okay. So please students, please pay attention. Whenever that is you go for the higher study, always the base is very important. You must have to remember your base. Similarly, this happened for your FI become semester 1, maybe which is a continue to semester 2, semester 3, semester 4, semester 5, semester 6. Even when you go for the professional studies like chartered accountancy, company secretary, MBA finance and others. So that is also very important, and at that same time you have to remember all the whatever you study at your reforms. That is very important. Understand? So that is very important. Okay. Okay, students. I hope you all of you understand this the logical before going further. Now, students, to understand what is a trial balance, what is adjustment. Adjustments is come after finalization of your account. जब भी अकाउंटेंट अपना अकाउंट्स प्रिपेयर करता है 31 मार्च को क्लोजिंग डेट होती है, तो क्लोजिंग डेट होने के बाद में आफ्टर द 2 or 3 months इज टेक फॉर द फाइनलाइजेशन. फाइनलाइजेशन इज नॉट वेरी इजी टास्क. फाइनलाइजेशन इज नॉट वेरी इजी टास्क. इट मे बी द बहुत कुछ ज़्यादा इसमें यू हैव टू दिस थिंग एंड बहुत कुछ you have to check with the capital expenditure properly record किया है कि नहीं किया है, revenue expenditure whether it's properly recorded or not, whether it is recorded properly assets or whether the liability is properly recorded or not, depreciation have considered properly or not, rate of depreciation also you have to you have to take very seriously for this system. Okay, understand? So these are the very important points that means you always have to take note while finalization.com. Now, before that means in your 12th, you have already studied at your final account of what is called as partnership firm. Now you're going for the topic itself. It is called as the finalization of manufacturing concern. Okay. Now, what do you mean by the manufacturing concern? The first answer I expect from you. What is the manufacturing process?
Question. Emotions are a part of our
Can you repeat once again?
Hello.
Sir,
Yes.
can you repeat? Sir, can you repeat again?
What is the manufacturing process? What do you mean by manufacturing? See, our topic is the title of your topic is Final Accounts of Manufacturing Concept. This is our chapter. Okay, going for the start for the particular topic. First of all, you understand what is that final accounts of manufacturing concept. What is the final? Good. Final accounts of manufacturing concern. पहले manufacturing के ऊपर जाएंगे. Then we go for the final accounts. Okay. What is a manufacturing process? So to find out the cost of goods, what is a manufacturing? Manufacturing means the raw material converted into finished goods. So this is called as manufacturing activities. This is called as raw material converted into finished goods, which is undergone the various processes. There are many processes, and then the finished goods is come out. Therefore, this is called as manufacturing. Understand? So manufacturing is raw material converted into finished goods. Therefore, this is called as manufacturing activity. And the person who is doing this manufacturing, or the organization doing this manufacturing process, that is called a manufacturing concern. And the person who control all the activity, that is called as manufacturer. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Manufacturer. He's a manufacturer. Now you have to prepare the account of the manufacturing concern. Now what is final accounts means? Which account you're going to prepare as a financial account, as a final account of the manufacturing concern? Or which are the different accounts you're going to prepare in the manufacturing account? So first we're going to prepare the accounts that is called as manufacturing account. Which account you're going to prepare, student? Manufacturing account. Second, trading account. Profit and loss account. And fourth one is balance sheet. The first one is a manufacturing account. Second is a trading account. Third is a profit and loss account. Fourth is a balance sheet. Now, student, from the trading account and profit and loss account, you studied well. I hope that is all of you know that one. What is that? Okay. So, trading account, profit and loss account, and balances. That means you know this trading account, profit and loss account, and balances. Well, but this is not. This is a new for you. Manufacturing account is new for you. Yes or no? The manufacturing account is a new for you. So manufacturing account, I will explain you what is the format of manufacturing account first. Trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet you knows well. But now the student, you are in FI become students, so you must know presentations of these accounts. That is really very important. Presentation is very important. For example, the reading of the financial statement is okay because now you are in comes to the undergraduate level, and in undergraduate level, एक मिनट student. This trading account, profit or loss account, balance sheet you already know well, students. But the manufacturing account is new for you. So I will explain each what is the format of the manufacturing accounts. Then I will explain the trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet also. And afterwards we move toward the one or two practical sums I will explain, because as per the examination is concerned, that means we will not know whether they are practically they are given for the examinations level, or multiple choice questions they are going to explain. We don't know as of today, but who are covering our practical sum also to know about the basic of how to prepare this for all the accounts. Okay, so student, I think that this is enough for the day, and the next lectures we'll see it. Manufacturing account, trading, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Yes, bolo.
Sir, can you explain manufacturing concern once again?
Manufacturing. Yes, yes. Very good, very good. See, the manufacturing term means what, student? Just a moment, sir. What is the manufacturing term?
Sir, your voice is low.
Just a moment, just a moment. Your voice is listening. Okay. Now, what is the manufacturing? What do you mean by manufacturing? Manufacturing means converting raw material into finished goods. Okay. I am a person. I am doing a business. देखो, the first person क्या है करता है? First person, for example, he purchased one pen from Mumbai for rupees 10 rupees. इधर मैं बताता हूँ example. There are two person. One person क्या करता है? He purchased a pen rupees 10 from Mumbai, and sold without addition, without adding anything else. Sold same pen in Thane for rupees 15. So this is called as trading activity, and the person is called as trader. Person is called as trader. He is a trader. Second person who purchases raw materials of paint, raw materials required for paint, convert, process in their factory, then process in factory, okay, factory में process करने के बाद में the raw material convert into finished goods like paint or complete paint. Okay, the total cost here, total cost for conversion, your production, your manufacturing, this comes to rupees, for example, 12. And same pen sold at 15, it is sales. It is called as sales. Now see, these two transactions, that is called, first is called as, it is a manufacturing process. And the person who doing this process, that is called as manufacturers. Is called as manufacturing. Now when person is trader, your trading account you have to prepare. Trading account you have to prepare. And when the manufacturer is there, then in this case you have to prepare manufacturing account. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understand both the transactions?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Manufacturer can be trader also. Manufacturer can be trader also. You can, some portion you can do in the manufacturing activity, some part is doing the trading activities, then both the possibilities are there. Accordingly, with the help of the informations in trial balance and the adjustment, on the basis of that, you have to decide whether is a trader and the manufacturer both, or whether he is only manufacturer or whether he is only trader. Okay, that will I will explain you how you will identify whether he is a manufacturer only doing the manufacturer. When he is only manufacturer, then you have to prepare the manufacturing trader trading profit and loss account and balance sheet. But he is only trader, there is a no required to prepare the manufacturing account. I will explain you in details in the next lecture. Don't worry about it. Okay, and I will share the attendance link of last section, say last lectures, last week lectures, and these today's within 20 to 25 minutes in your Google Classroom. तो दोनों भी link fill करना, okay? दोनों भी link